Now we are back, guys, and it's nice to have you again in Chef Henry Jamaican kitchen. I am Chef Henry, and today I'm gonna make jerk chicken, and this one gonna be spicy jerk chicken. And if this is something that you like, please stick around and enjoy all the tips, because I will be showing the ingredients and everything in this tutorial. Over here I have my chicken, and I have onions, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and scallion, and I have oregano. You can find it in your local grocery store. I have meat season, jerk season, and seasoned salt. And I also have the allspice, pimento, and this is what gonna give the jerk chicken its flavor. And I also have ginger. When I'm cooking this jerk chicken on the barbecue, I'll be using a charcoal barbecue. I'm gonna add the pimento into the charcoal into a pan to give the jerk chicken that pimento taste, because I cannot find pimento wood. So let's get on by making the marinade for the chicken. I'm gonna add season to the chicken, and then I'm gonna make the marinade, which is the wet rub. With the season, we're gonna add half a tablespoon into the chicken. So we're gonna start out with seasoned salt. And the same with the jerk seasoning, followed up by the meat seasoning. And the reason why we cut the portion that we added onto the chicken, because I'm gonna add a tablespoon when I'm making the marinade. I'm gonna massage the season into the chicken so the chicken can absorb all of this seasoned goodness. And now that I finished seasoning the chicken, we're just gonna set the chicken out of the way for now, and then we're gonna work on the marinade. So we're gonna start out by cutting up our onion, and I have my blender over here, and I have 2 cups of water in the blender. So you're just gonna cut up your onion the way that you know that your blender can handle it. So you just wanna go slice down the middle. You don't have to worry. And the ginger, same, because ginger is very hard. So you want to put smaller cuts in the ginger. And then with the scallion, oregano, and with the fresh thyme, and with the scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm gonna grab my mantle, and we're just gonna add a few grains of pimento berry into the mantle, and we're just gonna ground it up. And the reason why we ground up some of the pimento in the mantle, we're gonna actually add this to the chicken. Let's focus on working on the marinade. So we're gonna start out with the meat seasoning, a tablespoon of meat seasoning, and a tablespoon of jerk seasoning, followed up by a tablespoon of seasoned salt. And now we're gonna add a few grains of pimento berries, and I'm gonna count them, 20 grains of pimento. Now we're gonna add all the green herbs and spices that we chopped up. We're gonna add it straight into the blender. Now we're gonna get the lid on, close, and then we're gonna stop, and then we're gonna open up the blender. We're gonna add browning inside the marinade. Use your judgment, so you're gonna add a tip of browning as it goes. So I would start out with the quarter teaspoon measurement. Don't worry if you get a little bit over. I know it's not gonna be too dark. It's something that I master every time. And then we're gonna set the lid on. And if this is the color you're looking for, or you want to get it a little darker, you can by just adding another tip of browning. So now that our marinade is finished blending, now I'm gonna add some of that pimento that I grounded early on. I'm just gonna add it to the chicken, just to lock in some more flavor. So now we're gonna apply our marinade into the chicken. I'm gonna give you guys a tip. When you make your marinade and you put your chicken to marinate in it, and if you're gonna leave it just in the container, you wanna just save some of the marinade from the chicken, but you wanna boil it. So you cook the marinade to apply it to the chicken when you're on the barbecue. That's the sauce I use on the chicken on the barbecue. And lots of people is like asking me, oh, I make the sauce. It's the same marinade, and I show you guys all the recipe. And I'm also gonna put my other jerk chicken video up here so you guys can see it. So now that the chicken is finished, seasoned and all marinated, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'm gonna make it sit for 24 hours. And then I would see you guys when I'm barbecuing. Now we are on the second day, and I'm so excited because I left the chicken to sit for 24 hours. And now I am getting ready to jerk the chicken, and we are using the charcoal barbecue. Show you my experiment that I come up with. I bought this cast iron pot, and to get that burning pimento, I can't find pimento wood in the country I'm living. What you're gonna do, hold the cast iron pot, and you're gonna pour the pimento inside here. You're just gonna level it out just like half a bottle. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add this right in the middle of the charcoal inside the barbecue. So what's gonna happen, it's gonna get heat and it's gonna start to roast the pimento, and all of that flavor gonna go right in the chicken. I'm using the fire starter to light the charcoal. All the coal spread out, so it's now time to put the cast iron pot inside here with the pimento. And now I'm placing the grill. Now it's time to add the chicken to the barbecue. Now I'm getting ready to make the dipping sauce, that sauce that everybody is wondering, how do I make it? I see a lot of commenting in the next video. So this is all the marinade season from the chicken. And remember, this is lesson number 1. You cannot use any juice or sauce that is used to season the chicken unless you boil it. So you have your pot, and then you're just gonna add your sauce into the pot. This is the way to cook it so we don't cause salmonella poisoning. Now I'm gonna check on the chicken. Now that the sauce has come to a boil, and you just want to keep stirring around. And now the sauce is ready to apply to the chicken. We're gonna give ourselves some time because we're gonna get the chicken cooked a little bit more, then we're gonna add the sauce. Now I'm getting ready to coat the chicken, and I have my sauce into this bowl. Now I'm going to coat the chicken for the third time, and you always want to coat the chicken. And this is the final coat. Now the chicken is finished jerking on the barbecue, and I'm gonna take the chicken off, and I will show you guys when I'm cutting it. And it's the first barbecue of the season, and I hope you enjoy this video and everything that I show you so far. Now I finished jerking the chicken on the charcoal barbecue, and it's time to just go in and show you the finished product. And this is the finished jerk chicken, and everything cooked all the way through, just like that, yardman style. I'm gonna go in for a piece, and I'm gonna try this jerk chicken. I'm telling you, this chicken is seasoned to the bone. And to all of that comment that I get on the next jerk chicken video, I want you guys to load me up in the comment and check it out. This is all of my chicken. It's ready to go, and they're all done on a charcoal barbecue. And you guys see all the necessary steps you guys need to know. If you cannot find pimento wood, you can use pimento. And I'm gonna make some pimento bombers, and you can check out in the description. When I get them done, I'm gonna put the link in the description, or I'm gonna post a picture, and you guys can just contact me through my email address. That's gonna be in my description as well. And now it's your time to go make jerk chicken, and it's the starting of summer, and I bring this recipe again for you guys. And this one, it's spicy jerk chicken.